Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with another video and it is a very special day for us. It is Independence Day. We Indians are celebrating the 74th Independence Day. We are all facing a very big pandemic together in the world, and it is not possible for us to come down on the roads and celebrate it wholeheartedly with lots and lots of patriotism in us. So the best way to celebrate Independence Day will be staying at home. Yes, everyone. Let us make this whole entire journey of ours in the lockdown special by celebrating Independence Day at home, making India and also the world free of this pandemic. Our thoughts, our nature, our talks, our promises for our beautiful India are very high. But are we really free? Are we really free? We need to be free from our minds, our acts, and above all, the humanity. We must not discriminate people just with color, caste, and creed. Independence Day will truly be celebrated that day when Indians and all other people living in the world will be living happily and only one religion will be counted, that is humanity. So let us all make a promise and take a decision together that no matter what the other person's religion is, we are all Indians and we are going to support that person in every trial of his. Only then we are going to be powerful and independent. As we are going through this pandemic, boycotting things around us, let us all make our India proud by enjoying the Make in India program. Let us support it and apply local and make it vocal. We cannot forget the sacrifices made by all the warriors that were fighting for the victory, and at last we got independence. Those are freedom fighters, and in today's world, in present situation, all those warriors are no one else but everyone fighting against this pandemic. Independence Day for this year can be dedicated to all those warriors fighting against this pandemic and keeping us safe in our homes. Thank you, and a big salute to all the doctors, medical team, and everyone who is supporting us in this pandemic situation. The most important duty of every citizen today is staying home, wearing those masks, and taking all the precautions that will help us to fight the situation. My dear Indians and all around the people in the world, I would like to ask and hope you all participate in this program and make it a victory. So, saying this thing, I hope you all like this video, and at the same time, please support Make It India program and make India once again independent on this Independence Day. Thank you once again, and yes, very happy Independence Day. Jai Bharat. A very short video that I just made, and I hope you all liked it. Independence Day, coming here and giving speeches and encouraging everybody is not the need of the hour. The only thing is that we stay aware and be with our family. That is the only kind of gift that we can give as Indians and above all humans to our Mother Earth. So everyone, if you like this video, please hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel, and yes, please help me and support the most you all can. So thank you everybody, and yes, please do take care.
वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू,
ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू।
मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू,
मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू।
ऐ वतन मेरे वतन,
ऐ वतन मेरे वतन।
तू ही मेरी मंजिल है, पहचान तुझी से,
तू ही मेरी मंजिल है, पहचान तुझी से।
धरती सुनहरी अंबर नीला हो, धरती सुनहरी अंबर नीला, हर मौसम रंगीला। ऐसा देश है मेरा हो, ऐसा देश है मेरा, ऐसा देश है मेरा, हाँ ऐसा देश है मेरा।